Feminine style is totally back and it's one of the biggest trends in fashion right now. Today, I'll show you how to make one of the easiest and most flattering pieces, a quarter circle skirt with an elastic waistband. It takes just about 15 minutes from start to finish. No complicated patterns, no stress. All you need is some pretty fabric, a basic sewing machine, and the simplest sewing skills. That's it. So to make this skirt, you'll need only three measurements: your waist, your hips, and how long you want the skirt to be. I'll be using these measurements. First of all, we are folding the fabric on the bias, just like that. Next, we calculate the top edge of the skirt. We take the hip measurement and add 4 cm so the skirt can easily go over the hips. Then we add 2 cm for the seam allowance and divide the total by 2. If your fabric has colored selvage, add another 2 cm so you can trim it off later. In my case, it comes out to 55 cm. Now we mark 55 cm in a curved line like this. And place a mark at one side. The distance from the top point to the mark is 70 cm for me. From the top point, we continue marking 70 cm all around in a circular motion. So we draw the curve and cut off the extra fabric. This gives us the top edge of the skirt. We use the same method to cut the bottom edge. The finished length of my skirt should be 70 cm, so I add 2 cm for the waistband and 1 cm for the hem. That gives me 73 cm total. From the top edge, I mark 73 cm all around in a circular motion. So we draw the curve and cut it out. We cut off the selvage. And that's it, the cutting part is done. Now it's time to sew the skirt. First, finish the bottom edge with an overlock. Then fold it down by 1 cm and stitch it down. If you don't have an overlock machine, no worries, you can simply use the zigzag function on a regular sewing machine. Next, we need to sew the back seam. We place the side edges together and sew with a 1 cm seam allowance. Then finish the raw edges with an overlock or zigzag as well. Finish the top edge the same way. Fold it down by 2 cm and sew a straight stitch. My elastic is 1 cm wide, so a 2 cm fold is enough. If your elastic is wider, adjust the fold accordingly. Set your machine to zigzag stitch. On my machine, it is setting C. Don't close the waistband fold completely. Leave a small opening to insert the elastic. I'm making this for a 75 cm waist, so a 60 cm piece of elastic is enough for me. That's it, our skirt is finished. Now we just need to give it a good press, especially along the folded edges. They may have curled up a bit. Beautiful. The fabric I used is thick enough, so I didn't add a lining. But if you want to make one, you can cut it exactly the same way as the main skirt, just adjust the length as you like. In that case, when finishing the waistband, attach the top of the lining to the top of the edge of the skirt and finish them together. A quarter circle skirt with an elastic waistband is ready. It's not only feminine but also really comfortable, even perfect for moms-to-be. This skirt was actually for my friend, and since it took so little time, I even managed to sew a mini version of it for her 3-year-old daughter. If you are a mom of a little princess, feel free to use this idea and create beautiful summer mini-me photo shoot. Thanks for watching. This was Sharapat, and please don't forget to subscribe for more cozy, useful and inspiring videos. Bye bye.